Welcome to Palletized, the most powerful tool for optimizing cargo space efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the pallet calculation process using Palletized on iPhone. To begin, select the pallet module from the main menu. Palletized supports multiple pallet types, allowing you to maximize your cargo space for any shipping need. Next, enter the dimensions, weight, and stacking options for your packages. Palletized ensures precise stacking configurations, preventing unnecessary empty spaces. Once you input the details, Palletized calculates the most efficient way to arrange your packages on the pallet. In just seconds, you get an optimized layout that improves stability and space utilization. Not satisfied with the automatic arrangement? Palletized lets you manually reorder packages, adjusting the stacking as needed. This flexibility ensures the best fit for your shipping requirements. Want to inspect the stacking in detail? With Palletized's interactive 3D view, you can analyze your load layer by layer or by package type, ensuring everything is properly aligned. Every calculation generates a detailed loading report, providing insights into used versus available space, stacking efficiency, and weight distribution. You can export the report as a PDF to share with your team, print, or save for future reference. Palletized also includes an AI-generated report, offering advanced insights and recommendations to further optimize your loads. This analysis is automatically included in the exported PDF report. Once you're satisfied, save your project by entering client name, project description, and additional notes. This keeps your data secure and accessible for future use. With Palletized, you can optimize your pallet loads with precision, reduce shipping costs, and improve efficiency in cargo planning. Download Palletized today and experience the power of smart logistics.